Welcome everybody to the video on time management. Look at the clip. What can you see? That the hands are moving fast on the watch. We have so much of work, isn't it? But do we manage our time properly for it? It is rightly said, time and tide waits for no one. Time is precious. Haven't we heard all these statements? So you may be wondering, what is time? Or what is the meaning of time? Time is the indefinite continued progress of existence and events that occur in an apparently irreversible succession from the past through the present into the future. Basically, time is the progression of events from the past into the future. Time moves only in one direction. It's possible to move forward in time, but not backwards. The things we need time for, like the different activities we want to pursue or we are doing, our homework, our assignment completions, time for studying, the time we spend in school, the time we need to spend with our family, and also the time we need to play. You may be thinking, what are the obstacles that we don't get enough time to spend on the things we need to? Well, the obstacles are called time wasters. We waste our time on playing mobile games, talking to friends for long hours, oversleeping, watching TV more than required, and of course, being on social media so that we are popular among our peers. You may be thinking, what are the obstacles that we don't get enough time to spend on the things we need to? Well, the obstacles are called time wasters. We waste our time on playing mobile games, talking to friends for long hours, oversleeping, watching TV more than required, and of course, being on social media so that we are popular among our peers. You may be wondering, what is time management? Time management is the predictable control an individual can exercise over a series of events. What are the ways to manage time? Let's look at the different ways to manage time. Create a master schedule. This will help you block off time to study. Also, it will provide a structure to help you track and meet dates which you have kept for studying certain chapters or subjects. Use a different color for each subject so you can follow the schedule quickly and easily. An agenda. By this, you will be able to jot down upcoming assignments and also their due dates. Also, in the agenda, write about the schedule of TV, computer, and mobile. That is the time you will spend on it, as this will avoid you from falling into a trap of wasted hours in front of a screen instead of working on the things that need to be done in the agenda. Eliminate distractions. Between cell phones, social media, and friends, there are a lot of activities that can distract students from their schoolwork. When it's time to get down to work, turn off your cell phone, sign out of social media accounts, or keep it on flight mode. Any time on the master schedule that is dedicated to working on schoolwork should be cell phone and television free. Set goals. Set specific goals for each day, like how many pages you will complete for English or social studies, or how many maths questions to complete. The agenda and master schedule will help with planning your daily goals so that it can be completed on time. Time management skills always talks about to start early. Whether it's studying, completion of homework, your assignments, or projects. Each week, review upcoming assignments, tests, projects, study time, etc. that is there in your master schedule and agenda. Eliminate multitasking, that is, focus on one thing at a time. It might seem like more is being accomplished with multitasking, but splitting attention between more than one task isn't an effective way to learn. You should work on one task at a time, giving your full attention. Focusing on one task will help complete more effectively and efficiently your work. Take a break. For every 1 hour of study, it is necessary to take a short break of 10 to 15 minutes so that you can recharge yourself. Trying to work on one thing for too long can actually cause minds to wander more. Taking short break is a good way, and it gives a chance to recharge so that you come back more focused. Sleep. I'm not talking about oversleeping, but good sleep which is necessary. Getting enough sleep is important for you, as this recharges your mind and has the energy needed to stay on track the next day. Use your master schedule to mark a cutoff time for homework each night as well as a set bedtime. Following this routine will help make sure that you unwind at the end of each day and get the sleep you need. Activity time. Do the following activity and you will come to know exactly how do you manage time, and also it will help you in managing your time in the future. Remember, it is in your hands to manage time. You can control time. Don't let time control you. Thank you everyone for watching.